True friends. Once upon a time, a parrot, a mouse, and a rabbit were very close friends. They lived happily together. The rabbit cooked food and kept the house clean. The mouse brought grains and vegetables from the market. And the parrot collected wood from the forest and sold it in the market. They worked hard together and lived in joy. But a cunning fox disliked their friendship. One day, the fox told the parrot, "You are the one who works the hardest. The other two just relax." The parrot replied, "No, no. They also work hard." But the fox cunningly said, "The rabbit and the mouse do very little work, while you do everything." The fox's words planted doubt in the parrot's heart. He thought, maybe the fox was right. That evening, the parrot said, "I am very tired. From now on, I will cook, and someone else should bring the wood." The mouse was surprised, but he said, "All right, I will bring the wood." The next day, the mouse went to the forest. By evening, the mouse did not return. The rabbit said, "Let's go find him." The parrot went himself, and came back very sad. He said, while the mouse was bringing wood, a cat attacked and ate him. Tears filled the rabbit's eyes, and the parrot also cried. The next morning, the parrot apologized to the rabbit. He said, "This was all my fault. I believed the fox's lies. From now on, we will stay united, and never listen to the fox again." Children, the moral of the story is, those who try to create doubt among friends are never good. True friends stand by each other, always and forever.